Hello everybody, hope you're having a nice day today. We all know coronavirus, and today we're going to be talking about coronavirus, and we all know this. And not only that, we're not just going to talk about coronavirus, we're going to talk about the effect of temperature on coronavirus and its work. Without further talking, let's just get started. But before we do, let's learn some basic things about coronavirus. So coronavirus is a microorganism which has actually 4 proteins, and the proteins are M membrane protein, E S spike protein, E envelope protein, and N nucleocapsid protein. Okay, coronavirus, the spike protein gets due to the spike protein, it gets attached to our cells. I've been actually researching about coronavirus and the effect of temperature on it, and the countries affected, and the people affected in the country, and the average temperature of the country, percentage of recovery, etc., etc. And I made a lot of decisions, and at last I came to this decision that the temperature from 4 plus minus 2 to 22 plus minus 2 degrees Celsius has the most amount coronavirus can work good in this amount of temperature. Now the reason for this thinking is actually I collected a lot of analytics from the people affected of COVID-19 in the countries, and then I found out the average temperature of the country in 20 days after 10 days of incubation. I didn't take the 10 days, the first 10 days, because I took it as incubation. And I saw that the country with the temperature less than 4 plus minus 2 or more than 4 plus minus 2 to 22 plus minus 2 has less coronavirus affected patients. Now the example for that is a lot of countries, and one of them is India. And the average temperature of 20 days after 10 days of incubation was 29 degrees Celsius, and affected people was 129. And the country with the temperature in 4 plus minus 2 to 22 plus minus 4, so the temperature is in there, has more coronavirus affected patients. Now of course I've also got some countries in that temperature region, and one of them is actually England, and we all know England, come on. And I saw that the average temperature of England in the 20 days after the 10-day incubation period was actually 7.86 degrees Celsius, and the amount of people affected in the 20 days after 10-day incubation period was actually 1,378 people. Now after that, I've actually made two graphs actually, the average temperature of some countries after 10 days of incubation in 20 days, and also let's just see. The first one is actually the average temperature, and from this we can actually see that the average temperature of Myanmar was 32 degrees Celsius, Bangladesh 35 degrees Celsius, India 28, Nigeria 31 degrees Celsius, Australia Sydney 26.1, Malaysia 31, Greece 14.3, Belgium 7.58, UK 7.65, Poland 6.8, Israel 15.7, and Ireland 8.3. Now these are the average temperature of 20 days after 10 days of the incubation period, I said. Now after that, I've got 20 days of the people affected, and after the 10 day of incubation period with the average temperature. And here Myanmar has 14 affected people, Bangladesh has 51 in the 20 days, India 129 people, Nigeria 131, Sydney 278, Malaysia 278, Australia Sydney 278, Malaysia 406, Greece 1061, Belgium 243, UK 1378, Poland 1621, Israel 1930, and Ireland 2581. Now Malaysia to Myanmar, they all have temperature more than 22 plus minus 2, and this why the people affected is less. And Ireland to Greece is inside the region 4 plus minus 2, 22 plus minus 2. This is why they have more affected people. Now this is the end of the video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below if you guys have any questions. And I hope you guys will take my work and stay safe at home. Don't go outside. Keep quarantine. Thank you for watching this video. Peace out.